Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to day 6 of Vlogmas. So, as usual, I arrived to school early. I'm just sitting here waiting for my class to start, but I can't really complain because look at this view, guys. Look at this view. How often do we stop to take in the beauty of nature? You know, legend has it that, well, not legend, it actually has some truth to it that no one steps into the, well, this is kind of an educational portion, I guess, in this Vlogmas, but no one steps into the same ocean or sea more than once because the water is constantly changing, constantly moving, and this is the season of giving and love and sharing and all the things that comes with this season. I encourage each and every one of you to stop and take in the beauty of nature for this moment, for 1 second, because this is actually the end of the year. This is actually the end of the year, guys. And think to yourself, how much have you taken in the beauty of nature so far for this year? This is actually very a very beautiful view, so I can't complain about arriving to school about arriving to campus early, because with this view you can't really complain about anything. It's just giving me time to reflect on the classroom material, clear my mind, and prepare for, of course, the hard, challenging day of learning new materials today. And hopefully this encourages you guys to just take a vacation. Most of us can't afford that, but because of work and school and other things, but those of you who can should. And even if you can't, you should try to make time for yourself, you know. Anyway, guys, I guess I'll see you again, maybe after class is over. Oh, also about to devour this, my Subway breakfast. I don't really go into Subway and buy breakfast from most fast food places because this is about 1,500 calories right here in this bag. And my goal is currently trying to lose weight and trying to build some muscle. So, but this is the end of the semester, and I probably most likely won't be back here around this area for about 2 to 3 months, because of course of the Christmas break, and then the winter semester I'll be somewhere else. But then in the spring I'll be back here. And I know there's Subways all over the place, but as I said, I don't really go into fast food place, so I figure I just get in there today and tomorrow, and yeah. So hopefully you guys are enjoying your holiday so far, and my God, it's such a beautiful view. Oh yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying your holiday so far, and I'll see you tomorrow with another episode of Vlogmas, since I'll probably be in school for the rest of the day trying to study. Finals are just 2 days away. So happy Monday, guys. Hope you guys have a great Monday and enjoy the rest of your week as well. And I'll see you right back here tomorrow with a new Vlogmas day 7, that is. Be sure to subscribe and look out for more videos. Bye, guys.